Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll be unboxing the entire Nanoleaf Shapes line so that you can get an idea of what to expect when you receive your Nanoleaf Shapes. If you don't know anything about Nanoleaf, we're a smart lighting company that pushes the boundaries of technology by producing some of the coolest smart lighting products out there. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have the starter kits for all three shapes in the line. I have the hexagons, the triangles, and the mini triangles. Each starter kit contains everything you'll need to set up and use your panels. The number of panels included in each starter kit will vary per region. If you're planning on using more panels in your design, you only need one starter kit as your base, and then you can add additional panels with our expansion packs. The one I've got here is the Hexagons 3 panels expansion pack, but you can find expansion packs for each of our shapes. The cool thing about these three is that they support a feature called Connect Plus, which takes your already modular experience to the next level by letting you connect different shapes together, kind of like a mosaic. Even with your expansion packs, you can add any shape of the expansion to any starter kit and mix and match as much as you'd like. So let's take a look at the triangles box and open it up. Now on the back of this box, you can find a couple of different examples of layouts that you can have in your home, along with a list of features that the shapes include. Ambient or functional. So put these behind your PC monitor to set the perfect gaming ambience, or use them for functional purposes like the schedule feature to have them turn on at 8 a.m. when you wake up and have them turn off before you go to bed. They have over 16 million colors and a 1200 to 6500K white light temperature range. Touch Experiences lets your panels react dynamically or be controlled by your touch, even letting you play games like Canvas Crush or Whack-A-Mole, which is honestly pretty fun. The Music Visualizer lets you play rhythm scenes that will actually dance and light up to the beat of your music. There are so many different rhythm scenes on the Discover tab that you could pair up with different genres of music, and I've been doing it every time I get ready and I love it. We have Layout Detect technology, which is exclusive to Nanoleaf. It'll automatically map out the layout of your design when you create it, which is how it creates a smooth directional flow of colors or lets you paint colors specifically on each panel. And finally, we have Simple Setup, which is pretty straightforward. There's no nailing, no screwing, and no power tools. The box includes mounting tape and mounting plates that make installation and removal easy peasy. So that's it for the back of the box with the features. If we take a look at the other side of the box, we could see the Nanoleaf app, which pretty much controls everything from turning them on and off, the brightness, picking scenes and setting schedules. It also lets you download or create new scenes, plan your layout in augmented reality, and the list goes on. Below that, you can find a list of our smart integrations. Control your lights with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Alexa. It works with IFTTT and SmartThings as well. But a full list of integrations can be found on our website. So that's it for the box. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. The first thing you'll see when you open up the lid of this box is a quote that says, "Discover limitless lighting." And that's truly what you'll be doing once you experience these lights. Open up the flap here and you'll find your quick start guide, and inside you'll see a list of things that are included, as well as some installation instructions. Along with the guide, you will find a welcome card that has some inspirations of designs you can create and your QR code that you can use to pair your panels. Don't worry about losing the QR code because your power supply and controller will also have the same QR code printed on the back. The box to the right has a couple of things, including your mounting tape, your linkers that you will use to connect your shapes and controller together, your power supply adapter, and finally, a Nanoleaf vinyl sticker. In the left box, you can find your controller. Now the controller has buttons to turn on and off, control the brightness, and also change your scenes. Under that, you will find your power supply, and then finally, your shapes. And here are the panels. So you can see that they're very thin and sleek, but they have a premium build to them. On the back, you can see the areas where you'll be able to connect the different linkers, as well as the mounting plate, which comes off just like this for easy dismounting. So that's everything that you'll find in the starter kit to get you started. Now let's get them set up. You can find a setup guide in the app when adding a new device to help with the mounting process, or watch our YouTube videos on our channel. Alright, so I set up my panels behind me and the process was super simple. Just put the mounting tape on the back of the panel where the mounting plate is and stick them onto the wall, connecting them with your linkers. I have also gone ahead and connected my panels to my phone. You can pair your set on the Nanoleaf app with your QR code or NFC tap. To get connected only takes a couple of minutes and then you're all set to go. So let's get into some of these features. I've got my speaker here, so let's play some music and put on a rhythm scene to make these lights dance. I've already gone into the Discover tab, which is a section where you can download scenes created by the community, and downloaded the Electric Chill rhythm scene. So let's test it out. So that is the Electric Chill scene with some music. You can also see the panels reacting to my voice, and it does a great job on picking up sound. Using the music visualizer is a great way to take your listening experience to the next level, and I really love it. In addition to rhythm scenes, we also have interactive scenes, which are pretty much games that'll react to your touch. I've already gone into the Discover tab and downloaded Whack-A-Mole scene, so let's give it a shot. There's also another touch feature called Touch Actions, where you can program each panel to work as a touch reactive smart button to control any of your HomeKit products or scenes. And finally, my favorite feature of all that I wanted to show you guys is Screen Mirror. With Screen Mirror, your on-screen activity is reflected onto your lights. And rather than using the mobile app, Screen Mirror is controllable using the Nanoleaf desktop app. It's really my favorite app to use when gaming because I have my lights set up right behind my monitor and it creates a really immersive experience. So that pretty much covers everything from the unboxing and what to expect from your Nanoleaf Shapes. If you aren't sure about something or need some assistance with your Nanoleaf products, we have very easy to follow tutorials on everything through the setup process and troubleshooting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as well as following us on socials to be the first to know about updates and new releases we have to come. Thanks for watching.